stop scrolling. Choosing the wrong exchange between Binance and Bitget can silently drain your money on every single trade, and most people never realize it until it is too late. This is not another generic Binance versus Bitget review, and I am not here to tell you which exchange is bigger or more popular. I am here to help you answer the only question that actually matters: which exchange fits you, your experience level, and the way you trade right now, because there is no best exchange, there is only the exchange that is right for you. The big mistake most traders make: most beginners automatically choose Binance because everyone says it is number one, while others jump to Bitget because they hear about copy trading and big bonuses. That is exactly why so many traders lose money. Not because the exchange is bad, but because the choice does not match their skill level, mindset, and goals. Over time, fees, complexity, and wrong tools slowly bleed their accounts. Binance versus Bitget. The real difference: on the surface, Binance and Bitget look similar. Both offer spot trading, futures trading, leverage, and fee discounts. But once you actually use them, the experience is completely different. Binance is a powerful ecosystem with many advanced tools and features. Bitget is simpler, more guided, and designed to make trading easier, especially for people who do not want to overthink every decision. That's who Binance is really for. Binance makes sense if you want flexibility, access to many coins, and advanced features beyond basic trading. If you are comfortable with complex interfaces and you trade actively on both spot and futures, Binance fits you better. Fees matter a lot when you trade frequently. And when you sign up using the referral code BACK20, you get up to 20% fee rebate on both spot and futures. On top of that, new users usually receive welcome bonuses in trading vouchers depending on the current promotion, which can significantly reduce your early trading costs. Who Bitget is really for? Bitget is a strong choice if you value simplicity, speed, and copy trading. If you are newer to futures or you want a cleaner interface that helps you stay focused, Bitget often feels easier to use. Many traders like Bitget because they can follow experienced traders instead of trading completely alone. When you register using the referral code VUG8795, you also get up to 20% fee rebate on spot and futures. And Bitget frequently runs welcome bonus campaigns where you can unlock rewards by completing simple trading tasks. How to choose between Binance and Bitget. Here is the simplest way to decide. If you want power, flexibility, and a full crypto ecosystem, choose Binance. If you want ease of use, copy trading, and a smoother learning curve, choose Bitget. The worst decision you can make is choosing based on hype instead of choosing based on what actually fits you. Fees and bonuses matter more than you think. Many traders focus only on profits and completely ignore fees, and that is a costly mistake. Over dozens or hundreds of trades, fees can quietly eat a huge part of your gains. A 20% fee rebate may not sound exciting, but over time it can be the difference between being profitable and constantly struggling. Welcome bonuses also give you extra margin to test strategies with lower risk, especially in the beginning. How to register the right way and activate the fee rebate. This step is critical. When you sign up, you must use the correct referral link or manually enter the referral code during registration. For Binance, use the code BACK20. For Bitget, use the code VUG8795. If you register without a referral code, you permanently lose the 20% fee rebate, and there is no way to add it later. What happens after you sign up? After creating your account, complete identity verification as soon as possible. Most welcome bonuses are locked until verification is finished. Once verified, you will see reward tasks or vouchers inside your account. These usually involve simple actions like making your first deposit or placing your first trade, and completing them unlocks trading fee vouchers or bonus credits. Important warning about welcome bonuses. Welcome bonuses are not free money you can instantly withdraw. They are designed to reduce fees or support your trading with lower risk. Some bonuses require a minimum trading volume before they are fully unlocked, which is normal. The key is to use bonuses strategically, not emotionally, and never overtrade just to chase rewards. Common mistakes that make people lose bonuses. The biggest mistake is signing up without a referral code. The second mistake is ignoring task requirements or expiration dates. Many bonuses expire if you do not activate or use them in time. Another mistake is trading aggressively just to unlock rewards, which often leads to unnecessary losses. Using Binance and Bitget together. You do not have to choose only one exchange. Many experienced traders use both. They use Binance for spot trading, long-term holding, and ecosystem features, and they use Bitget for futures or copy trading. Using both allows you to benefit from different strengths and different promotions. If you are still unsure, use this simple rule. Choose the exchange that makes you trade calmer, clearer, and more consistently. Complexity does not make you profitable, and simplicity does not make you weak. The right tool depends on where you are right now, not on what others tell you to use. Right now, both Binance and Bitget are offering fee rebates and welcome bonuses. But these promotions can change or end at any time. If you plan to trade anyway, there is no reason to pay full fees. Check the links in the description, register with the correct referral code, and lock in the 20% fee rebate while it is still available.